not being helpful. And you want people to shut up and take what y'all doing, but that's not right. People spend their money and spend extra money for this. You can't treat the people like that. And everybody just always sit and shut up and take everything. Could you excuse me, please?
We can't go anywhere, so.
What's your name, miss?
Miley.
Miley what?
Like Miley Cyrus.
No, come on. You see the type of behavior?
I can't give you my
You're
last
not being
name.
professional.
I can't. I'm just
Why
telling you
not?
my name's
You're
like
the
Miley.
angel. You're the agent, right? You're the agent.
Correct. But
Yes, you're the supervisor, right? Why can't you give me your name?
I said it's Miley.
That's not a full name.
I can't give you my last name. That's a security risk.
It's a security risk for you to give a passenger your name?
Yes,
Why?
and I gave you my name. It's Miley.
I want to make a complaint about
Okay,
you.
I'm Miley. I'm
So
the
who do
only
I do?
supervisor here. That's named Miley.
You
so.
see the type of treatment? Yeah. And everybody just accept this.
What's happening?
And then if you speak, that means that you're a troublemaker. Could you get out of the way? Let me get by. Because I'm not a troublemaker, but I'm not
okay.
an idiot. This is what they do. This is how they treat people. Yeah, Frontier Airlines. Miley with no surname.
Is this your seat?
36F behind you, but I'm gonna put my bag up here. Yeah. This is how they treat people on Frontier Airlines. When they charge you $100 to check on and $89 for carry on. Yeah.